showing you how I got this fall inspired smoky eye. Yes, it is smoky eye season. So exciting. But yeah, we're gonna jump right into it, and I'm using the Morphe, I don't know why that cut out like that, but it's the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm basically just using all these warm brown and orange tones. And yeah, we're just gonna start by packing on a solid brown shade. This is just a base, it's not our actual smoky eye brown shade. We'll come back with a darker color over it later. But yeah, I'm just packing that on. All throughout the video, you'll see me go in with this blending brush and just blend everything together. So I'm just blending out that brown shade before I go in with the orange shade and the yellow shade. So you'll see me go back and forth between all brushes throughout the video. Okay, so the yellow shade that I'm using here is not from that Morphe 35O palette, but it is from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I believe. Yeah, I think that's the one I used. I don't remember. But yeah, everything will be listed down in the description box as always. And look, I don't even know what's going on here, but yeah, I'm special and that was a special moment, and y'all will see them all throughout the video. So enjoy. Okay, so now that I have everything blended out, I'm going on the lid and I'm just packing on a deep brownish, like a burnt brown. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like a very like a maroonish cranberry color brown, and I'm just packing that on the lid. This is from the Morphe 35O palette as well. The only color I didn't use from there is the yellow. But yeah, so I'm just going through, like I said, with different brushes. I'm not adding any more product. I'm just basically blending everything together with the different brushes. into the lower lash line, I'm basically doing the exact same thing that I did at the top. I'm going, the closest to my waterline is going to be the darkest brown, and you're just going to fade everything out from the darkest brown to orange to yellow. And you're just basically doing the exact same thing as you did on the eyelid. Okay guys, I'm just dusting any fallout that may have happened from the eyeshadow, and I'm going to add lashes and mascara off camera, and this is going to be the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. We'll see y'all next week. Bye!